Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, I've got much better quality audio now, so you're going to hear me a lot clearer now, and I'm going to show you exactly how I hooked it all up. So here you can see the studio condenser mic that I use. The model I use is by Art, and it's the C2 model. You can find pretty much any studio condenser microphone you need at your local Long & McQuade or Guitar Center. In addition to the microphone itself, you're going to need a microphone cable, a pop filter, a sock filter, a microphone stand is optional, and you're also going to need a shock mount, which usually comes with the microphone itself. But most importantly, you're going to need an audio interface. Here you can see my audio interface. It came with a program called vStudio 20. Your interface probably won't look like this, but don't be intimidated. They all work basically the same way. They usually consist of guitar inputs, microphone inputs, or MIDI inputs. When you plug a connection into the interface, it allows your computer to read the audio data. All studio condenser microphones run on what's called phantom power. If you want to find the phantom power, you may be able to find it directly on your interface with a toggle button, or you may have to go into the settings of the program that came with your interface to toggle on the phantom power. If you fail to activate the phantom power, then your microphone just will not be read by your computer. So now that we've got everything all hooked up and ready to go, all we have to do now is go into the track edit view. It's already armed, but we basically arm it to record. Go back into here. This will be pink, and we'll be good to start recording. And la 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 la, as you can see, my vocals are now being recorded, and they're being recorded in a very clean, condensed fashion. And you really can't get much better quality vocals than with a studio condenser microphone. So I would highly recommend getting a setup like this. If you are doing a podcast or recording vocals, you just can't go wrong. Well, I really hope you guys found this informative and helpful for you guys. Any of you guys trying to do a podcast or trying to set up a microphone for your computer for whatever reason. My next episode is going to be all about recording rhythm guitar, so stay tuned for that. Please give me a subscribe if you're on YouTube here. If you're viewing this on Facebook, give my page a like and a follow. Share it with your friends. I'd really love to get some more traffic in here and help more people record some music, and also find some artists to record. So if you'd be interested in recording with me, then you'll be able to find the email in my Facebook page or on my YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is The Rust Bucket, and Facebook page is Rusty Bucket Productions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, have a good day. Until next time.